Hi guys, my name is Johan and I'm back with a new video in which I want to share with you other upcoming projects from next month, from March. There are a lot of other launch pads similar to Polkastarter launchpad. So I will share with you the upcoming new projects from next month, guys. As you can see, let's take a short look on the markets, and as you can see, we are seeing a lot of red. The bears have come into the markets, and I have told you in yesterday's video that March is a bad month for Bitcoin, so we may see some downside for Bitcoin and crypto in general next month. So be prepared, guys, to see more blood in the streets. As you can see, we are seeing minus 4.3% to the downside in Bitcoin, now trading at $45,420. Ethereum below $1,400, trading at 1,373, minus 7.2% to the downside. Cardano minus 10% to the downside, trading at 1.27 cents, guys, $1.27. So again, not much power to the bulls. As you can see, 3.7% at NAM, Monero 2.6%, and so on. So not much movement to the upside, more movement to the downside, unfortunately. As you can see, MDEX minus 22.4%, ZK Swap minus 21.1%, Huobi token minus 18%, and so on. We are seeing red in the markets, unfortunately, guys. The correction was needed and was expected. Nobody likes when so much red is in the market, but as you know, when you do your research, now is time to buy or wait until the bottom is found. So just do your research and be careful trading right now, guys. Okay, so jump straight to the subject of the day, other new projects that will launch next month. Since Polkastarter have started, other launch pad projects have come into the market, and one project like that is Duckdao. We will see four very interesting projects that will launch next month, and we will start with Vortex. Vortex will start tomorrow. Let's see what Vortex is all about. This is the site, Unlock the World of Decentralized Finance. Vortex DeFi is a platform that aims to unleash all DeFi related opportunities in one place. It is a one-stop gateway to manage your investments for protocols on Ethereum and Polkadot. Vortex ecosystem will provide a suite of applications that will enable users to do activities like NFTs, asset tracking, lending, insurance of crypto assets, borrowing, and providing easy cross-chain swapping from one crypto asset to another. So a very interesting project, guys. As you can see, will do its launch on Duckstarter launch pad. So we will see tomorrow the launch on Uniswap. This is the site. As you can see, the team, real team, a lot of heavy investors. You should check this project out, guys. Vortex DeFi. Next project, that guys, that is extremely hyped is Shadows. Shadows is a hub for issuing, trading, lending, and borrowing synthetic assets. This project is similar with Synthetics SNX that already has a very huge market cap, $22.5 billion market cap, huge market cap for SNX. So Shadows aim to be the competition for SNX on Polkadot, guys. Shadows bring synthetic assets trading to substrate with real-world assets unwritten by our native DOS token, whether is synthetic stablecoin XUSD, cryptocurrencies XBTC, or blue chip stocks X Tesla. Ultimately, Shadows Network aim to become a Polkadot parachain and facilitate cross-chain synthetics trading for the masses. So this project aims to allow people trade synthetic assets like SNX does on the Ethereum network, but this one is on the Polkadot network. And as you can see, it will conduct an IDO on Ignition and on Duckstarter on 2nd March. We will see how this Shadows will perform through the Ignition launchpad, guys. You should check Shadows out. They will be doing this IDO on 2nd March. Next interesting project that comes from Duckstarter Launchpad is ampnet. Let's see what ampnet is all about. So the goal of AMP is to democratize access to capital and allow anyone to fund their project quickly and affordable. By using ampnet, anyone can get world-class software to raise funds for their project. Simply create your instance, sign up, create a project, and share it with potential investors. Ampnet gives you tools to raise money with Euro, USD, and a large selection of cryptocurrencies. Beyond that, the platform comes with integrated KYC, AML for compliance, automated divided payment system, tax report generated, and is fully secured by blockchain without requiring user to know how to use blockchain. It is the simplest, quickest, and fastest affordable way to start funding your project. So this is what ampnet is trying to do. It's a crowd vesting and crowd lending platform, guys. Here you can create your project and share it with possible investors. As you can see, they do have very big clients and partners: Greenpeace, Greenvest, Vespa, and so on. This is a very interesting project that will do its IDO on 8th March. The next project that will come through Duckstarter IDO is L.A.B.S. L.A.B.S is a platform that looks to open access to potentially lucrative real estate investments through a system that combines three major parts: a real estate digitalization solution including DeFi, and the exchange, an issuance and crowdfunding platform, and an advisory business. It uses an innovative tokenization solution to fractionalize real estate into security tokens, which represent partial ownership of the property and any yields it generates. These tokens can be bought, traded, and sold by practically anybody, providing an easy access route to real estate investments. The platform is powered by the L.A.B.S utility token, which provides priority access to real estate investments, tier-based discounts, and potential staking rewards. So this is L.A.B.S. First end-to-end ecosystem supporting real estate market. So L.A.B.S is trying to bring real estate into crypto industry, guys. They will tokenize real estate on blockchain. This is the team, guys. This seems to be an extremely real project with real investors backing it. So you should take a look of the L.A.B.S project. So we should see L.A.B.S doing the IDO on 5th March. So 5 days from now we will see L.A.B.S live on Uniswap. So these are the 4 most important projects that will come through Duckstarter IDO launchpad. Let's see what other interesting projects will come from other launchpad platforms. As you can see from Crypto DeFi, we already covered the other projects in yesterday video that are coming through Polkastarter launchpad. Now we will talk about Playcent that will do an IDO on polls. Let's see what Playcent is. Playcent is a decentralized Wix for dApps, games, NFT and social tokens. Multi-chain protocol capitalizing on remix culture aimed to give the freedom to develop, create, manage and monetize user web presence. Playcent dApps are full-stack web apps that can be created in minutes and shared everywhere on the internet. So this seems to be a very interesting project that will be on both Matic and in Ethereum chains. So it will do its launch on polls. This is how Playcent site looks like. Future of content is interactive. Playcent is a blockchain-powered template-based platform allowing developers, gamers, and creators to monetize their skill. So this is a very, very interesting project. As you can see, real team, strong partners, and this can have an interesting future because a lot of people are interested in creating content with NFTs and gaming coming to the blockchain. So you should check this project out. They will do their launch on 6 March. Umbrella will do the public testnet on 15 March. And another interesting project that will come in March, we do not know the exact date, is Oddz. Let's see what Oddz is all about. Oddz is the multi-chain option trading platform on Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot and Ethereum, enabling users to trade customized options with rewards. It is a decentralized blockchain protocol which allows multi-chain option trade with an inbuilt Oddz oracle. The primary objective of Oddz is to facilitate seamless derivative trading, including call and put option, conditional token swaps, and perpetual market for platform users with ultimate transparency and zero gas fees. This is a very interesting project that will come next month. We don't know the exact date of the launch. So this is Oddz site, guys. Multi-chain option trading, simple, secure and decentralized. If they will succeed of bringing zero fees, they will have a lot of success. As you can see, this is again a real project with real team. You should check this project out and be on their Twitter to see exactly when they will launch next month. So another interesting project that will come by the end of next month is convergence. Convergence protocol is a bridge to convert the new world, allowing institutional and retail investors to travel seamlessly between permissioned real asset-backed security position and permissionless crypto and utility token DeFi position. We are essentially creating bridges for any utility tokens, asset-backed tokens, security tokens. Our vision obviously is not just limited to providing organic liquidity to real assets. Alongside our ecosystem partners, we want to bring real assets into every fold of the DeFi supply. So they want to bring real assets onto the blockchain. This project seems to be extremely interesting. This is convergence, the decentralized interchangeable asset protocol, converge the world. This seems to be a very interesting project. You should check them out. They do have a lot of partners here, and as you can see, Duckdao is here. We can maybe think they will launch on Duckstarter IDO launch pad soon. So you should check them out. Remember guys, convergence. So guys, another interesting project that will launch through a paid launch pad ignition is Splyt. Let's see what Splyt is all about. Splyt is an NFT infrastructure that decentralized e-commerce by creating a peer-to-peer e-commerce supply chain. We let sellers tokenize their inventory as an NFT that can then be broadcasted to all other stores in our network, creating a super affiliate network. This helps solve the double sale problem that the inventory cannot be sold in two places at once. So Splyt bridges the gap between brands and consumers in a rapidly changing climate. We turn the marketing power of e-commerce into revenue for affiliates and brands. We empower brands to grow sustainably by removing rent-seeking intermediaries. So this is how the Splyt site looks like. Splyt dApp is live on testnet. You can see guys, it is a real team. As I've shown you, I'm only focusing on real projects with real teams. You can check their LinkedIn and profile page and see what these guys are all about. As you can see, they have as an advisor Kyle Chasse, the creator and CEO of Master Ventures and Paid. So this is why a Splyt comes through paid ignition in March. We will see the exact date on the Splyt launch. You should check this project out. Next project that I want to talk about and will do an IDO is Fusible that will do on DODO launchpad an IDO on 5th March. So for those of you that do not know what DODO is, it is a new project launched on Binance Smart Chain and is a decentralized liquidity exchange powered by a protective market-making mechanism to build capital efficiency. Let's see what Fusible is. Fusible is an experimental price discovery protocol for NFTs, where creators can liquefy their NFTs and create pools on Fusible and Uniswap for a curve-based price discovery. So this is another interesting project that will come in 5th March. Let's see the Fusible site. This is the Fusible site. This is the founding team. You should check this project out. So the last project that I want to cover is Paralink. And Paralink is building a scalable solution to the Oracle problem on Polkadot. We believe that Polkadot is the optimal platform for our protocol due to its fundamental design principle. Cross-chain interoperability and scalability are the two key components for making Paralink secure, scalable, and economically viable. Paralink node is an open source piece of software responsible for accessing real-world data and relaying it back to smart contracts via callbacks. So this is Paralink site, multi-chain Oracle platform for DeFi application. It will be an Oracle platform built on Polkadot. So we'll see when Paralink will come the next month in March. As you can see in Q1 2020 ERC20 token on Ethereum and exchange integration. They will not do a public sale, so we will see this project listed directly on exchanges. So you should check this project out. Paralink seems to be an interesting oracle. It seems, guys, that March is a full month that will bring a lot of projects live for us to add to our portfolio if we found interesting and viable information about that projects, and if that projects do have real utility and real teams. We will see how this will perform next month after the launch. But as you can see, unfortunately, guys, we are having a very bearish start of a month. We'll see if March will be a bearish month. And unfortunately for this type of IDOs, we will see not much movement until the green will come into the markets again. But this is just my opinion. Like I always say, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes crypto and want to help people discover new projects. So again, guys, if you like the content that I provide, please leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys, for supporting me. I wish you a great start of the new month in March. Happy earnings, and see you in another video. Bye, guys.